I ordered these little mini lip balm containers from the soapysoap.com company. I got 2 packs of 50 for $23, and that included shipping, and it came in 2 days, so that's pretty awesome. I'm doing the healer, and I have these little spatulas that I got on Amazon, but you can just use a regular popsicle. These also came with the little clear sleeves that you slide it in the clear sleeve and you hold it really close just for a second right next to your hair dryer, and as soon as it's warm, I'm giving them enough, just enough, so they can get a feel if they have, you know, a bump or eczema. They have enough to put on it, and overnight they should see results. And then I just scrape. I go around in a circle and just kind of get me a good amount, and then I just scrape it off in there. I don't pack it down. It's really super easy. So I just cover it and make it flat, kind of scrape across the top, wipe away any extra, pop on the lid. Then you would slide it in the little clear sample and blast it with a hair dryer, and then it looks professional, super cute. Like I said, I've made a ton of these, and I could probably make 30 or 40 out of one skin stick.